Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Yuga House. In this episode, we're going to talk about the luxury container home for less than $40,000. Take a look around this amazing customized shipping container home of 30 feet in length. The owners of this steel container unit were both designers, so they had a fun time creating this unique tiny house space. They provided the floor plan design and the interior furniture designs as well. Together, they were then able to work alongside one another to make this shipping container home a reality. This was a special project and contains one of the most unique window layouts that the company has done so far, with the tall modern corner windows in the bedroom and the long window that goes across the kitchen and living room. The Alt 30 Medel is one of the only 30-foot container homes on the market. It has a full bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, and living room space. It's often used for full-time living or to generate additional income as a rental unit on personal property. When it comes to downsizing to a tiny house, you need to be creative about storage while also getting rid of the things you don't always use. There are plenty of storage tips and ideas that will give you places to put all the things that are important to you. Downsizing to a tiny house is a great way to declutter, but that doesn't mean you don't still need storage to put things away. The following are just some of the creative storage ideas you might consider in a tiny house design of your own. When it comes to tiny house living, it's good to go vertical. If you need more storage space, there are several tips and tricks for creating more room. Vertical space often goes to waste in many homes, but that doesn't have to be the case. You might consider building shelves up to the ceiling to help create some room to stow seasonal items and household supplies. You can make use of vertical storage as a way to showcase the items you love. You can use flat wall panels to help create super flexible storage space. These shelves are so versatile as they use slats, not bolts, to secure the shelves to the wall, which makes them a snap to add, rearrange or remove the shelving whenever the mood strikes or needed. You can also use flat wall shelving instead of space hogging tables. Another idea is underfloor storage. If you are downsizing and you need some extra storage space, the solution you need may be hiding underneath your floorboards. You can consider building up a sitting area to accommodate underfloor storage for a variety of things. Furniture is another way you can get additional storage, maybe a coffee table or a couch with storage underneath. An idea that is especially popular in small house living is under-stair storage. Other storage tricks might include a front door that doubles as a shoe storage or a place to stow away garden tools and supplies. A Murphy bed is another storage idea that is ideal for small house living because they help to maximize floor space. Loft beds are another good idea that works in small house designs and can provide useful storage underneath. Thank you for watching this video, and please do drop a like because it would really help our channel grow. Also, subscribe to our channel. We'll be featuring different houses every single day, from local homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and to other inspiring home ideas.